everybody, welcome to Cooking with Nina, and today I'm going to be cooking some barbecue sauce with a lot of stuff in it. Actually, no, I'm going to teach you how to make some clay. Let's get started. So first you need some barbecue, and then put some water in and mix it up. And then put some stuff in it that makes it colorful.
Open your mouth.
And then mix it. Oh, and don't forget to add soap. And then mix it. And if it doesn't look good, just add even more soap, which gives the barbecue color. And then it gets more watery, so just add more. Then add more barbecue. This is looking so delicious. And then put it in a bowl and then get your feet and stomp on it. Stomp on it a couple times. And your clay should be looking, and your barbecue sauce should look good. And I'm just going to tap it a little times, and then, yeah. Now, I'm not going to be eating this delicious food. My auntie is. Hey, YouTube. So, auntie, you're going to be tasting this delicious barbecue sauce. And it's with some pie. And I know you like barbecues with pie, so I hope you like it. I can't wait to taste this. I don't feel too good.
Well, Nina, that was good.
Well, thanks, auntie. Thanks for watching my channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Well, Nina, I gotta go now. I gotta throw up. But wait, don't you want more? No!